Hey, I'm Alan from BikeBerry. Today we've got an electric GigaByke and I'm going to show you how I put it all together. Let's get started. So your kit should come with a controller, a pair of brake handles, a thumb throttle, and a big motorized wheel. The motorized wheel has a built-in 36-volt brushless motor that drives your bike from the front wheel. It runs quieter than a gas-powered bike and leaves you free to pedal your bike without any resistance. The motorized wheel has a top speed of 15 miles per hour with a riding distance of 25 miles, making it an efficient bike for commutes and recreation.
Alright, to get started we'll need a few tools. We'll need a set of adjustable wrenches, a Phillips screwdriver, a set of Allen wrenches, and a small rubber mallet. We'll also need our crank arm removal tool.
First, take off the front wheel of your bike and replace it with the motorized wheel. Be sure to check your tread pattern so that your wheel is facing the forward direction. Make sure that both nuts are tight because a lot of torque will be coming out from this wheel. Great! Replace the brake levers with the ones provided in the kit.
If the brake handles are a tight fit, use the mallet to lightly tap them in. Then you'll want to repeat on the opposite side.
And then string the cable back into your new handbrakes. Then slot in the throttle where you find it comfortable. Insert the plastic wedge into the corresponding slot of the throttle, and then tighten down.
Next we'll install the LCD meter. Go ahead, turn it around, and take off the screws. Find a comfortable space on the handlebar and reinstall. Next you'll install the sensor that tracks your speed. Take off the screw and clamp the sensor onto the spokes of your wheel. Next, take the sensor receiver and zip tie it directly over your sensor. Next we'll install our pedal light, which will help our pedal assist. Cool, next we'll need our crank arm removal tool. First we'll take off the nut, then turn it around and thread it into the crank arm. When you have it threaded in, use a wrench to apply pressure to the back bolt until you can feel the crank arm come off. Great! Now remove the cover washer. Install the sensor and then wedge it in place with the washer. Next, place your magnetic ring with the magnet side facing out. Awesome! Then place your crank arm back on. Great! Now we'll move on to our battery. As you can see, the mounting plate slides off the battery. Find a place on your bike and then screw on your mounting plate. Great, your battery is ready to be put back on. A real great feature on this battery is that it has a USB charging port on the side that will let you power any device with a USB. When installing this kit, it's really important to consider what type of bike you're using. We're using a mountain bike that has holes pre-drilled into our frame for us, but other types of bike you may have to reconsider where you put the battery. For beach cruisers, you may want to put it up top, but you will have to drill holes in your frame yourself. Alright, we want to find a place to house our controller. I chose to put it on the back of my seat, but it also can go on a rack or onto a bike frame. Everything is velcroed or clipped onto to secure itself, and then put your controller in. We're finally at our last step. Connect everything to the controller. All the wires are designed to only fit one way with its partner connector, or it's color coordinated. Once you have everything connected, you can clean up your wires by using the black shrink tube. Finally, zip tie any cables to your bike frame. To keep everything neat, stuff the extra wire into your controller housing. And that's it, your bike is ready to ride. If you guys are interested in getting one of these kits, the links are in the description down below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Alan from BikeBerry. I'll see you guys next time.